Need to manage multiple Instagram accounts on one phone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily manage multiple Instagram accounts. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your specific account that you want to log in. Once you have logged in into your one account, now if you want to log in multiple accounts, then move into your profile at the bottom right. And then click on this three line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the settings page of Instagram, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on Add Account. Click on Login to Existing Account. It will show you all the accounts that has been existed before. You can simply tap on it and log in. If not, click on Use Another Profile. Now over here you have to enter the login credentials that you want to log in. Enter the username and the password. Once you've entered all the login credentials, tap on Login. After that, you'll be logged in into your specific account. And if you want to switch back your account, then tap and hold this profile. You will see all the profiles that has been logged in. In order to log in, all you gotta do is click on it. And there you go. You're on your another account. You can use this account as per your need, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can manage multiple accounts on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.